back to my YouTube channel. I am Lottie Ann Silvis. Thank you, everyone. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to read my channel description. It talks about me, my lifestyle, and every moment I'm always making something exciting for myself and for my customers. As you know, I'm a crafter, I'm a crocheter, so I do craft shows throughout Orange County, and it just depends on the area and where they're promoting their craft shows. That I actually pick out the ones that I want to participate. That's around my home. So I'm really excited. I just got back from my vacation from Maui, Hawaii, and I met my aunties I haven't seen for 41 years. And I really had an exciting time because there's a lot of them that my cousins I haven't seen over 41 years since we were little. And I just turned 60 years old, and I turned 60 in Hawaii because it was a blessing from my daughter who provided the vacation for my husband and I because his birthday was on November 5th and mine's on November 6th. So we had a blasted time. Was really happy to see relatives I haven't seen in such a long time. And to know my aunties out there, they're in the 80s. My auntie Nang, she is 84, and my auntie Vicky is 88. Now my auntie Nang has made hats, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, I want to share with you the things that I actually bought in Hawaii, but I want to share with you what my auntie Nang has been making because she's also a crocheter too. But I want to show and tell you all. This is what she made. She made a Captain America hat, and she sells these, and also the Spider-Man hat right here. She makes these, and these are her top sellers out there in Hawaii. And I actually made some of the hats. My auntie actually provided me. She wrote it all down on this is a pattern of just the basic hat, but I didn't have the pattern for the stars, and I didn't have the pattern for the A, and I'm trying to study how she did this, but I think I got it how she did it when I put it on the reversible side. I can see how she sewed it. So I haven't started the Spider-Man, but I have done the Captain America. And if you want to check out my other channel, Crochet with Coach Lottie, and I have my Captain America hats that I've made, but I'm going to share it with you all here. So my auntie Nang made these, and this I made for myself. Okay, so this is a Captain America hat. Okay, I just basically just did what she did. Okay, and I made the A myself, and I figured out how she did the stars. So I made 5 hats. So I have an extra small, a small size, extra, and 3 mediums. So these are the hats I made actually in the last 2 days. So I made 5 hats, and I have to sew. Today I'm going to sew on the star, not flower, but the star. And five will be ready to go. And then I also made, you can also make Batman with the mask hat. So this is the Batman mask hat. Actually, I provided my very own ears. It's not the ears that she had, but this is going to be given to my grandson. I think it's so cute. It's a toddler hat, so I'm going to give this to him. Also, I wanted to share with you all what I actually purchased in Hawaii. Actually, I went on a Calypso Maui cruise. It's a cruise that they go snorkeling, and they take you out in the ocean. And I'm gonna actually make a video of it. I actually got sick on the boat, but I eventually happened at the last spot. I was eventually to go on a boogie board and go snorkeling. Okay, so just a little bit, but I was on a boogie board, so I didn't have to have the mask, and I didn't really look underwater, so because I got sick on the first round, first stop, but then I got better, and I was able to go on the water later. Also, we did a lot of shopping there, and I want to show you my coconut. My coconut bag is made out of coconut. I think it was so cute, and it's really big inside because when you unzip it, I mean, you get all. I got all of these because I got a lot of necklace there in Hawaii. I got a lot of bracelets and put it on. So, actually got me a turtle, a turtle necklace. I got me some cookie shell necklace. And if I want to put this on my hair, I could. It's actually a pin flower. Let me see if I can put it on my hair. There. But what else I got in here? I actually got one of the hook necklaces. I got me a bunch of necklaces here. And I love choker. This one you just untie it and you just tie it in the back. But I love it. So if I wear it, it's going to look. Let me see. I'm going to actually put it on for you all. But everyone, go ahead and check out all my other videos that I post. I like to post life coaching, inspiring, motivational videos. So I think this is so cute. Also, this bracelet goes along with it. Okay, so I can just tie it too. And my husband got me this. I can show it up to you closely. Those are those special beads that they make in Hawaii. I just put it on. I have more beaded bracelets. And I actually got this too. So I've got a bunch of everything in here. And I got a bracelet that says Maui. See, that's the island I was born in, Maui. Okay, so, and I think my co-workers are going to be excited. I haven't been to work in 2 weeks. So then they're going to be happy because I got some macadamia nuts with chocolate. So I'm excited to bring it to work so everyone can have a bite of Hawaii. And anyway, I just wanted to share with you just this quick video about my visit in Hawaii. And I didn't really have time. We were only there 5 days, so I didn't really have a lot of whole time. But I really enjoyed the water. You're going to be seeing that I'm going to upload some videos of my visit in Hawaii. I have to edit my videos. But this I love. And I also got to share with you one more thing. I love coconut. So I got me a coconut bag. It's a purse, and you can just actually tie your length and put it around you. I really love this. It's made out of real coconut. And I got me a little bag too. I got me a top that almost looks like this as a matching. And I got me this bag, and it's actually reversible. Let me just share it with you that it is a reversible purse. So you see it this way, but you can turn it around. And I think I'm going to use it by turning it around. I'll take this to work. And there you go. So this is really cute print. I really liked it because it has all the islands there, and you can see it up close. But it does share with you all the islands and the names. Hawaii, Maui, Molokai, Lanai, Oahu, you know, uh, Kauai, and it's a really beautiful print. But and um, that's about it for now. I also bought me a muumuu, which is a luau, muumuu that I wore at the luau, and I got me a really nice Hawaiian top, and I got this T-shirt, and I got me another shirt that says Maui, and I really had a oh, sorry about that. I really had a fabulous time. Everyone, subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. All right, I'm just showing tell my experience of Hawaii, but it was a great time. I had a fabulous time on my 60th birthday. So, and having parties, a barbecue, and just an awesome experience. I will share with you some videos following this video. All right, everyone, please watch my next video and that I've uploaded, and also don't forget to click on the next video at the end of this video. Bye for now.